then it's time your class, and so I'm talking because I don't try to get out because it's like a early meet 1 p.m. But so I'm gonna show you how to like mix some eggs and make it look good, and refreshing, just try to really be some good stuff. So like, yeah. So I got the eggs. You may can hear me a little bit, but these are the eggs I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna open it up. Yeah, I'll show y'all what it is. The things that we use is black pepper and salt. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to put the butter in because you use like butter because so that the eggs don't like don't come off and be hard. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. You don't need a whole lot of butter, but okay. Okay. Guys, okay, I'm gonna have to come back. Hey guys, so I'm not doing eggs because the stove isn't working, and plus I don't know what food I use. But yeah, guys, I have no idea. But this doesn't mean I'm ending in the video at this point. But I can't find nothing else to do, so it may be a lot of I don't know. It may be I don't know this video right now. So until I figure something out. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So this is what I did. I put the eggs in the cup. So I'll show y'all what I did, and it didn't turn out too bad. So now all you gotta do is just get a plate. Because the stove is not working, so that's the only thing I do is think it. I got off the floor. It just vanished on the floor, and it's made the cat clean. So this is so easy for the people that doesn't know how to use the microwave. All you gotta do is put the egg in the cup. Use a like a microwave cup, and you could put how many seasonings you want. Then you can add butter if you want. Anyway, I didn't add butter, but yeah, because this is my first try to do this. And then you just whisk it, and then you set the microwave to 1 minute, and then that's how you come with the egg. I'm gonna give it a little try. So see ya. Okay, let's give it a little try. It's okay. does taste like the microwave a little bit. I'm gonna show it a little bit. But I'm gonna have these with, one day I'm gonna put butter in it because I forgot to put butter. It probably would taste more better with the butter, but I'm gonna put bread on this. Now I might make a second one, so because I'll have more with the bread. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe because I'll be probably posting, Quadair will be posting his skit. I'll be posting my skit because I'm Tamara Glaze. But yeah, y'all, this is my video, just cruising for y'all, and I see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.